I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the assets and apps so you can edit immediately. Open the editor, grant storage and camera access, and sign in if needed. This avoids interruptions later. Once done, tap New Project and import your photo or multiple images from Gallery or Cloud. If you have RAW, pick it for more latitude. Make sure to label or sort photos if you plan batch edits, and set an export folder now to save time at the end. Next, perform the core edits using the app's AI-driven tools so you get optimal results with minimal manual work. Start with Auto Enhance to balance exposure, contrast, and color. This gives a reliable baseline. Then use selective AI features like background replace, object removal, or portrait retouch to fix specific areas. Use masks or brush tools to refine edges. Once adjustments look right, toggle before/after and fine-tune sliders. Be deliberate so edits remain natural rather than overprocessed. Finish by reviewing details and exporting in the format you need so your work is usable immediately. Zoom to 100% to inspect sharpening and compression artifacts, then select Export Settings. Pick JPG for sharing, PNG or TIFF for quality, and set resolution/quality. Use a batch preset to save time on multiple files and include metadata or watermark if needed. If something goes wrong, undo the last AI action, lower intensity, or revert to the original and retry that specific step before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.